Do you need to hire an attorney and you want to know what should I be looking for in an attorney-client relationship? We're talking about that right now. Hi, I'm Naomi from Gonzalez Law, empowering Californians through education on the legal process. So today we're being more informal than usual. Today we're pretending that it's just you and we're sitting at my house in my living room having a conversation. And in this conversation, you asked me, what should I be looking for in an attorney-client relationship? To give you an idea of what is the ideal attorney-client relationship, I'm going to tell you a story. This story starts over a decade ago, way back in the day, when I was a law student interning at the Pacific Justice Institute. Then there's one experience that really stands out for me when we had an intake of a teacher who felt that their religious liberties were being infringed on at school. When she came in, it was visible, physically visible, what she was going through. Her body was so tense. Her face showed all of the worry that she had. And she just looked like she had the whole world on her shoulders. She really needed help. Now, I looked to the attorney to see what he was doing and really observed how he handled this. He gave her a reassuring smile. He shook her hand and he greeted her. He said, "Come on in, have a seat, let's talk." He listened to her story. He took down all of the details. He really paid attention. Then he started telling her about the strengths and the weaknesses of her case and putting together a game plan for her. I could see a big change in her from the beginning to the end of the intake. Where she started all tight, I could see her start to relax. Her spirits became lighter. And the climax was that he actually prayed with her. We all came together and we prayed for strength for her, prayed for favor, prayed for everything together. And I could see how much this made a difference. I could see that she felt that she now had a partner to go through this together. She left the office with hope, something she did not have when she came in. Or what's the bottom line? Am I saying that your attorney has to pray with you in order to be a good attorney? Of course not. But you should be looking for, do you feel that your attorney listens to you? Do you feel that your attorney cares about you and your case? Do you feel that they're actually talking to you, that they're telling you what's going on? I don't mean just the client and the attorney together, the handling attorney, because you might not talk to your handling attorney all the time. What I mean is the client and the whole team at the law firm. One team supporting you and helping you in your case. Do you feel they're being honest with you? If they're telling you that this fact is problematic and it might kill your case. And above all, you want to make sure that you feel they have your best interest at heart, that you feel supported by your attorney. Although we strive for that goal, we're human and we don't always achieve it. But that is the ideal relationship with a client, something to strive for. So if you're a person of faith and you would like me to pray with you during our intake, just let me know. I'll be very happy to do that. And if you're not a person of faith, it doesn't mean I appreciate you any less, but some people would like that extra level of support and I'm happy to do that with you. So I don't often share my faith on YouTube or with my clients, but I am a Christian, a follower of Christ. The reason I don't often share that is because people tend to, for whatever reason, try to take advantage. They say, "Oh, you're a Christian, you should care about people. Let me give you my QME reports and all my file and review it and give me a case valuation. I know you're not my attorney, but do this anyway." The truth is, I can't do that for people who ask me just to do that. If I did, that would be hours and hours of my time and I would be neglecting my own clients. It's just not possible. But one of the things that I've been working on as a Christian is to try to love and serve people more. So that's why when I get a call, I know right away whether I can take them or not usually. And even if I can't take them, I do my best to try to help them, to point them in the right direction or give them some sort of guidance as to what to do next. If you would like to consult with us, text us consult and we'll be very happy to talk to you. And we practice workers' compensation, but if you need a different type of law in California, text us referral and we'll point you in the right direction. So if you're worried that your attorney might not be the best fit, take a look at this video to see if they have any red flags. But friend, keep in mind, changing attorneys isn't always possible. Choose your attorney very wisely. Today it's just us and we're having coffee somewhere, even though I don't drink coffee. I'm having a hot chocolate.